Hello everyone, welcome along to another bluesic of today. Today is another good one in A minor. So this one you're taking the 15th fret, you're in position 4 really of A minor pentatonic, and you're playing 15 on the B, curling it up a bit, and then curling 13 on the B, and then 14 on the G, 14 on the D, alright, and then slide from 12 to 14 on the G. You could add at the end this 13th fret on the C, and you're sharp, kind of bending it up to that C sharp. So that's quite a good one. That's today's bluesic of the day. Good one for A7, a dominant blues there.